Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the founder of In 30 Minutes Guides, including PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose. Today I'll be talking about adding a caption to a PowerPoint presentation. Now, if you use Office 365, you may know that in Word, you can just basically click on a picture, go to the References tab, and then add a caption that way. There's an option to do that. In PowerPoint, there is no option to add a caption directly. In fact, there is no Reference tab. And by the way, this is the Mac version of PowerPoint 2019. The Windows is exactly the same. There's no difference. So what I'm going to show you is the recommended workaround to add a caption to a picture in PowerPoint, and this is recommended by Microsoft, by the way. So basically, you go to the slide you want to add a caption to. You don't even need to select the picture, but I'm just selecting this for reference. And then you have to add a text box. And text box is on the Home tab. So click on Home. You should see something like this, and click Text Box. Okay. Now you can see I have the text box drawer, and I'm going to draw that. And when I drew that rectangle, you can see the cursor is flashing there, so I can start typing text. So I'm going to say, this is Nadia McCarthy, Chief Operating Officer. And then if you want to, you can format that. Like, I'm going to center the text using the button here on the toolbar. Okay, and then when you play the slideshow, you have the caption. For more information on how to get the most out of PowerPoint, check out our book, PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.